Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses by Kimberly and James Dean. Please enjoy. Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses. Pete the Cat did not feel happy. Pete had never, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Then as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "Their cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around. Right on. The birds were singing, the sky is bright, the sunshine is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way, and soon he saw a squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy, Pete said. "What's wrong, Squirrel?" "I'm so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Awesome, the birds are singing. The sky is bright. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. And Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" Pete asked. "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I'm still all upside down today." Pete said, "Try those cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Far out, the birds are singing and the sky is bright. Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked around. The sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic Sunglasses, they help you see things in a whole new way. Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around, rocking. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Oh no, Pete didn't know what to do without those sunglasses. Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise old owl said, Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day. When Pete looked around without his sunglasses, too cool, the birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, we're feeling all right. Well, I guess he didn't need those magic sunglasses in the first place, huh? He got to see things without them. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? I would love that if you could do that for me. It will help bring other people to this channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my book, other readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a pleasant one, everybody, and take care. And thanks for watching.